Hi, friends. I'm Teresa Jones again with you. I am enjoying my journey to experiencing a healthier life through my transition. I have just purchased a 4 Patriot water filtration system. I am so excited about using it. For some reason, I do not know what it is, that it just totally moved away from me about uh, having my filtration system for good water. And I was using another type of filtration system, and I honestly, when I made my last move, I just totally forgot about it. So it's been a little over a year. Oh my gosh. When I thought about it, it was as if, man, it's like I was waking up from a dream. The water is what I said. I can't believe it. I've been buying this bottled water for over a year. But I tell you, girl, I got on it. Started doing research, started to go back to my own method, and voila. Voila, here I decided upon 4 Patriot for some great reasons. The filtration system is made in America. Uh, hey, go Patriots. And above everything, the quality. The quality, and just the fact that it also, the filters last for so long and they filter so many gallons of water. I found it to be superior concerning all the other filtration systems, and the price was amazing. So I am so looking forward to using this, and and I know that many others who would just find this, that they too would be exceptionally pleased with um, the system itself. And again, the cost per gallon, the amount of time one filter would last. Oh my gosh. And constantly having a good water supply here, and not having to run out not even once a year to get uh, another filter is amazing. Even though I do plan to get more filters, uh, just in case um, anything happens. But listen, man, I am so excited. I just got this and I am so waiting to use it. But I just wanted to put this video up before I took it out of the box. So you take care. Hey, make your life the best life. All right. All right. Take care. And I'll see you soon. All right. Remember, you can find my books on Amazon.com/author/Teresa J. Okay? And the name of the book, Transitioning to a Healthier Lifestyle of Eating. God bless.